JavaScript, the only language where frameworks evolve faster than Pokemon. Every month, there's a new cutting-edge library that promises to fix the problems that React created, which was trying to fix a problem that Angular created, which was trying to fix a problem that jQuery never had. Real quick, if you're enjoying this, please hit the like and subscribe. Helps me grow the channel and create more content just like this. It all began with jQuery. Some guy said, what if we could write less and do more? And JavaScript said, bet. Then the library jQuery was created to simplify common and complex JavaScript tasks, such as handling HTML DOM manipulations, events, and AJAX. The growing complexity of web applications led to the desire for more structure. So Google dropped Angular in 2010. The enterprise grade, batteries included, along with the entire factory framework, with two-way binding, directives, and a world full of pain. We went from just building apps to entering a PhD program in dependency injection. Then came React in 2013, Facebook's gift to humanity. Finally, a framework that's not a framework. You want to update a button? Cool. Just re-render the entire universe. And everything is a component now. Header component, navbar component, footer component. Your existential crisis about state management is also a component. React doesn't really solve problems, it just moves them into smaller files. But as it stands, it's still the heavyweight that every new framework is built on top of. Meanwhile, Angular decided to reboot itself. Now it's TypeScript only, has modules, decorators, pipes, zones, dependency injections, basically Java with HTML. Then came Vue in 2014, the friendly neighborhood framework, created by one guy who left Angular team and just said, what if Angular didn't suck? It's got templates, reactivity, and single-file components that actually make sense. Vue developers don't argue, they vibe. Until Vue 3 came out. Then everybody had to learn Composition API and pretend to like it. Svelte burst onto the scene in 2016, the hipster framework that compiles your hopes and dreams at build time. Svelte compiles your code away, meaning no virtual DOM, no runtime overhead, just pure unadulterated performance. It's like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're just trying to figure out where the framework went. And let's not forget about Ember.js, the framework everyone forgot. Rolled out in 2011, it promised convention over configuration and delivered confusion over comprehension. It had routes, controllers, models, and templates before it was cool, and became a template for later frameworks. Before the Reacts, there was Backbone.js, the framework that gave JavaScript its first spine. It was simple, elegant, and confusing, mostly because you had to build half of it yourself. Backbone wasn't so much a framework as it was a polite suggestion. Gatsby is a static site generator that made every dev believe they could start a tech blog. It rests on GraphQL queries, plugins, and blazing fast speeds. Up until you install too many plugins and the app takes 3 working days to build. Next, we have Next. Built on React, it tackles server-side rendering, incremental static regeneration, and client-side rendering. It's an alphabet soup of acronyms that essentially mean your decision tree for rendering a single page is now more complex than a federal tax form. It's React that got a promotion, and now it wears a suit, attends meetings, and deploys directly to Vercel whether you like it or not. And finally, we have entered the quantum realm of frameworks. Quick, load your page faster than you can say hydration. Solid.js, like React if React had its act together. Astro, what if we just didn't ship JavaScript? Every new framework promises the same thing: faster, smaller, and simpler. But let's be honest, by next year, we'll have React++ Turbo Quantum out for 9000 with AI-generated components.